Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Galaxy Watch 6 to your Samsung S23 Ultra. First, make sure both your watch and phone have at least 50% battery life. Next, open the Google Play Store on your S23 Ultra and download the Samsung Wearable application. Finally, navigate to your phone's settings and turn on Bluetooth, preparing for the connection. Now that your devices are ready, open the Samsung Wearable app on your S23 Ultra. You'll see an option to start new device. Tap that, and then choose your Galaxy Watch 6 from the available list. A unique pairing code will appear on both your watch and phone. Carefully compare these codes to ensure they match perfectly before proceeding to the next step. With the pairing confirmed, your S23 Ultra will guide you through the final setup. You'll need to grant several permissions for the Wearable app to function correctly, allowing access to features like notifications and health data. Be sure to accept the terms and conditions. Afterward, you can personalize your watch, choosing your favorite watch face and setting up preferred notifications. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. A simple restart of both your Galaxy Watch 6 and Samsung S23 Ultra often resolves minor connection glitches. Also, always ensure your Samsung Wearable app is updated to its latest version for optimal performance and compatibility. Remember to keep your devices close, within about 3 feet, during the initial pairing process for a stable connection.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.